Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Netflix. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.